The Woodworking Oblique Hole Locator Set is an essential tool for anyone who values strength, accuracy, and flawless finishes in their carpentry projects. Designed with precision engineering, this set allows woodworkers to drill angled or oblique holes effortlessly, ensuring that joints come together seamlessly and securely. Whether you are crafting furniture, assembling cabinets, or building custom wooden structures, this tool simplifies the process of creating strong, hidden connections that enhance both the durability and visual appeal of your work. By eliminating the guesswork of drilling angled holes, it saves time and reduces errors, making it a reliable companion for both beginners and professional craftsmen. Its ergonomic design, durable materials, and easy-to-use guides provide consistency in every project, ensuring that every cut, joint, and connection aligns perfectly. Beyond its practicality, the Woodworking Oblique Hole Locator Set elevates woodworking from a task into an art form. It enables you to achieve professional-grade results without the need for bulky machinery or complicated setups, giving you the confidence to take on projects of any scale. The set's adaptability allows it to work with different types of wood and thicknesses, making it a versatile addition to any workshop. From building sturdy frames and shelves to creating polished furniture with hidden joints, this tool delivers precision and efficiency at every step. Its strength lies in its ability to combine simplicity with accuracy, helping you bring your creative visions to life while maintaining structural integrity. For woodworkers who want to achieve strong, durable joints with a polished finish, the Woodworking Oblique Hole Locator Set is more than just a tool, it's the key to craftsmanship done right.